And they're so big. How are you guys? Okay, so hey guys. I had another video planned out for today, but it is too damn hot. It's too damn hot for that. I was gonna do a autumn lookbook or like autumn outfit ideas, but it's just too hot. It's supposed to be cold. I don't understand what's going on. I don't get it. I don't get it. I just got off of work. I look so bad right now, but it's okay. I be looking like that at work sometimes. It'd be like that, I'm not even gonna lie. And I got some Panda Express food. And then I'm just gonna eat it. This morning, woke up late. What's new? I didn't eat breakfast. I literally just went to work. But luckily, like, this shift was early, so it's not that bad. There's like the two things that I get from Panda Express is just the chow mein and honey walnut shrimp. It's just so good. And then I forgot to bring water, so that's why I was thirsty like half of my shift. It was so bad. I've just been eating in silence for like a straight 2 minutes. I'm really that hungry. Okay, it is way later and I showered because I couldn't stand the heat anymore. You could already hear them. You could already hear them. Before I show you guys my chickens, I just want to give you a little bit of a backstory. So I got them in July and 2 months and a half have passed, and now they're not even baby chicks anymore. They're teenagers. They're young adults. And I'm very excited to show you guys, so let's let them out. So this is a little chicken coop that my dad bought. Not bought them. The little chicken coop that my dad built for them. And they're so big. How are you guys? Yeah, they live poop everywhere. You see them open their beaks like that? It's because that's how they ventilate. So they open their beaks to get air in. So it means that they're super hot. Come on, let's go. 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 Dude, I forgot. I always keep putting on nice clothes when I'm with them. I sometimes do get dirty with them. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Okay, this yellow one is a male. And this brown one is a female. I kind of knew at the start already because I saw their color variation and their beaks. And Odo. Hey, don't get scared. This one is called Odo, and then the other one is called Tweety. And Odo is the male, and he has a little crest up at the top. I don't know if you can see, but once he comes over here, you'll see. But he has a little crest, and it's gonna grow. And they play around. Our backyard is pretty big, so they're pretty happy. I have to take them out like every day. I have to take them out every day, unless if there's an emergency like wildfires or poor air quality. I can't take them out, and they're always in the coop. But every day I try to take them out on a daily basis, so it's either in the mornings or in the afternoon. And sometimes I prefer evenings because it's just easier to get them in the coop again. And when they were younger, I'll provide a picture of them when they were younger, but they needed to eat like 3 times a day. No joke. Like, these guys need a lot of food because they grow so fast. And literally they were baby chicks in July, and now they're like this big. And now we only give them food twice a day. So they have like these little grains. You already see they're eating at the at the floor. What's up, Odo? And we have the water right here. Sometimes we give them corn or tortillas. I don't know if you guys were here, but these baby chicks were in my room because they didn't have a coop yet. So I lived with them for like, I think the first month of having them. They were just in my room, and I had to put them in a bucket, and they don't even fit in a bucket anymore. That's how big they've gotten. Oh my goodness. I never leave them alone when I'm taking them out because we have cats in my neighborhood. So like wild cats, they sometimes come into our backyard, and I have to take care of them. So I'm always with them. I'm just very paranoid if I leave them alone. Yeah, here's Tweety. Okay. Oh, okay. They do this. If you saw that, they do this thing of like claiming dominance. So they kind of like fight each other. And it's funny because every now and then I see them like chasing each other all across the backyard, and it's so funny. Usually Tweety is the one chasing Odo, and it's so funny. Hi, babies. Getting so big. But yeah, so we have a little door. My dad put this little pole for them to like go up, and oh, we need to put water. We need to put more water and food, but it's a mess. Don't eat my hair. Don't eat my hair. Don't pick up the camera. Don't pick up the camera. You're so funny. This one is the weird one. Tweety, vente. Tweety is just long gone over there. Este le gusta estar enfrente de la cámara. Okay, I've been inside for over an hour probably. I left them outside because my dad and my brother are outside, so they're not alone. And usually by this time I do homework, or if I don't have homework that day, I just go on like Twitch and just watch other people game. It's pretty chill. Or I just watch YouTube. That's really it. But tonight I think I'm gonna be editing this video and see when I could post this. But yeah, did I say that I went to work in the morning? I think I did. I think I did.